When I was bata-bata, I was Englishera. Cause my cousin is Englishera. She cannot understand Tagalog. So I English. When I English, she Tagalog. So when I Tagalog, she English. So I get mad. I said, why you keep Tagaloging when I Englishing? She said, I don't know. No,
When I was bata, my mother follow me. So I made a plano to go Larias.